So for this demo here, we're going to take a look at what a lightweight edge device looks like. Just like it might sound, this means that your edge device has very few resources. So very little memory, very little CPU, probably doesn't have a GPU, and at most it has a network card input and an output sound device, so a microphone and a speaker. And it might be connected to a bunch of resources in the cloud. So for this particular demo, we're going to take a look at what a lightweight edge device looks like. So we're going to spin up client and server application. The client side is going to surface just a page in a web browser, and then the server side application is going to run a large language model. In this case, it's going to be DeepSeek. And then it's also going to do the processing for the speech to text and the text to speech on the server side. And it's going to just stream the input audio from the microphone to the server, and it's going to send the output audio or the text to speech back to the web browser. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run the server component, which is on a GPU droplet within DigitalOcean. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to run our UI. So this is basically going to serve up pages to our web browser. So here you can see the client side of our application. It's just an HTML page embedded in our browser here, and it's going to start up our microphone, and it's going to create a WebSocket connection to our server component. This is going to allow the audio to stream from our browser to the server component. It's going to go ahead and talk to the LLM on our DigitalOcean GPU droplet. It's going to get the response from our LLM, do text to speech, and send the raw audio back to our client browser here for playback. Let's go ahead and try it. Computer, tell me about California.
California is a large state on the west coast of the United States, known for its diverse geography, including beaches, mountains, and deserts. It's famous for its entertainment industry, particularly in Hollywood, as well as its agriculture and tech innovation in Silicon Valley.
So there you have it, a pretty simple application. This application demonstrates what a lightweight edge device looks like. Thanks for watching.